everyone! Are you tired of the chaos in managing design projects? Dreaming of a tool that simplifies everything visually? Well, you're in for a treat! In today's video, we're diving deep into the Claritee Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary tool that's changing the game in digital design project planning. Whether you're a content creator, graphic designer, or product designer, this deal is a must-grab. So let's explore how Claritee works and why it's a game changer. What is Claritee? Claritee is a groundbreaking digital tool that transforms design project planning into a visually engaging experience. It's ideal for anyone from individual content creators to professional graphic designers. With Claritee, you can create detailed visual layouts for any project size, whether a small social media post or an expansive website. Its intuitive interface allows you to experiment with project structures and elements until they're just right. Plus, it offers real-time collaboration, letting your team and clients contribute seamlessly. Combining the best project planning and collaborative design software, Claritee makes design ideation, modification, and collaboration effortlessly simple, yet incredibly effective. Lifetime opportunity, unbeatable deal on Appsumo. Don't delay. The regular price of Claritee is a steep $504, but thanks to Appsumo, you can get your hands on it for just $1.99. That's an incredible minus 80% discount. Here's what you will get from Claritee. Project export, custom sizes, delete, restore files, live collaboration, 2,000 free elements and sections of content, free photos, basic timeline activity, and many more unlimited features. And yes, it's a one-time purchase with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Hurry though, these deals don't last forever. Claritee's lifetime deal features: visual sitemaps and wireframes. Plan your design layout in detail. Interactive elements. Bring your designs to life with links, carousels, forms, and more. Real-time collaboration. Work seamlessly with your team and clients. Unlimited everything. Enjoy unlimited boards, collaborators, projects, pages, and viewers. Extensive library. Access a vast collection of elements, images, icons, and graphs. AI overview. Harness the power of AI to streamline your design process. Who benefits from Claritee? Claritee is perfect for anyone involved in design projects, including content creators. Spice up your digital presence with visually stunning designs. Graphic designers. Plan and execute your projects with precision and creativity. Product designers. Design user-centric products with interactive prototypes. Grab an extra deal from Appsumo. Here's something spicy for you. An extra 10% off on the Claritee Lifetime Deal. Just visit the Claritee Lifetime Deal page on Appsumo's website. Look for a pop-up offering a cool discount. Put in your active email address, and remember to use the same one throughout. Soon, you'll find an email from Appsumo with a sweet 10% off promotion. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and let the extra savings begin! Real reviews of Claritee on Appsumo. Curious about what users think? Let's check out some genuine reviews showcased with catchy music and highlights. Real feedback from real users, no sugarcoating! Final call to action. So, are you ready to revolutionize your design process with Claritee? Don't wait! Secure your lifetime deal now before it's gone. Claritee is not just a tool, it's your partner in design excellence. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Stay creative, stay productive.